Yo, what's up guys? So I'm gonna be doing a little review on these HK Gaming rubber keycaps. So basically these are really nice. The texture is really nice. So they come with 23. There's the numbers, escape, and there's the QWERASDFZXCV. So like four letters or 4 keys on every row. And these have a really nice anti-slip texture. So like your fingers don't slip while you're like using it. Their wild compatibility, you can use them with Cherry MX switches, Gatoron switches, Kel box switches, O-Teamer switches, and LK mechanical key switches. And these fit 60% keyboard, 65% keyboard, and the 10 keyless, 80% keyboard, and they work really well. They're actually true double shot, meaning that it allows the rubber keycaps, meaning they're more durable and they're more grippy while you're playing, and they don't easily wear off or get sweaty or make your fingers slip or anything like that. And it increases your performance as well. It gives you grip during your games, and it's ideal in a given situation, and it's widely used by many pros. So I would highly recommend these if you're looking for new keycaps or like rubber keycaps or just looking for a change. The color, it comes out really nicely as well. But yeah, I would really recommend these.